Hi everyone, I'm Steve Mandy, owner of Attack of the Baseball Cards, celebrating our 30th year in the hobby in 2012, and it's time for our box break for Sunday, October 21st, 2012. Today's box break, brand new product. This is a special hobby version of 2012 Bowman Chrome Baseball, always one of the top products of the year, loaded with great rookies, plus an autograph card in every box. Now, in order to be in our box breaks, all you have to do is give us a call at area code 908-687-8107. We usually announce by Wednesday or Thursday of each week what our box break will be. You can follow us on our Facebook page at Attack of the Baseball Cards, on Twitter at Baseball Blog, by stopping into the store located at 60 Milltown Road in Union, or by giving us a call at area code 908-687-8107. Each week we sell shares of our boxes for $30, $35, $40, or $45 per product according to what product we're using. And for your share you get to reach into our special baseball and randomly select teams. If you're outside of the area, you can still be in our box breaks. We'll randomly pick the teams for you and we'll ship your share to you for $3.55. After we select all the teams, and we do have some customers watching here today, all the teams are spread out on our counter, and we'll open up all the packs and you get all the cards of all your players, including autographs and or memorabilia cards, and the person with the least number of cards also wins a prize. We already selected the teams. They're all spread out, as I said, on the counter. And let's start breaking our box of 2012 Bowman Chrome Baseball. We're going to try to show you as many big pulls as we can, good cards, give you a chance to see the different kinds of cards you can get in this product. And here's a Wilfredo Wilfredo Tovar. It's a first Bowman card. That's a rookie card. New York Mets. Second baseman. Lots of players with their first Bowman cards. Lots of rookie cards. Here's a refractor. Miguel Cabrera, Triple Crown winner, going to the World Series. Ravel Santana, New York Yankee outfielder. First Bowman card. Yankees going home. Tigers to the World Series, Yankees home. Remember, Attack of the Baseball Cards is open every day. Weekdays we're open from 11:30 till 7:30. Saturdays 10:30 to 6, and Sundays 11 till 5. Oscar Taveras, outfielder. This is a Futures game card. St. Louis Cardinals. Hanser Alberto, shortstop, Texas Rangers. First Bowman card. Got an autograph. Jonathan Griffin, Arizona Diamondbacks. First Bowman card, and it's an on-card autograph. First baseman for the Diamondbacks. So one autograph per box, one autograph per box. Minnesota Twins, Kenny Vargas, first baseman, first Bowman card. And a Joey Votto blue refractor. Cincinnati Reds, that's numbered out of 250. Jorge Soler, outfielder, Chicago Cubs. First Bowman card. Anthony Garcia, outfielder, St. Louis Cardinals. He's already up and playing well. And that's his first Bowman card. Got another autograph. Zeke DeVos, the Chicago Cubs. That's 2 autographs, usually 1 per box. Say franchise all-star cards. It's an all-star plus a futures game all-star. Felix Hernandez and Danny Holtzen. Seattle Mariners pitchers. Manuel Hernandez. So Orioles. First Bowman card. And another Futures All-Stars. This one, Adam Jones and Dylan Bundy for the Orioles. There's a purple refractor, Brendan Bosch. Purple refractor, Brendan Bosch from the Tigers, numbered at 199. And a blue refractor, Yunel Escobar, the Toronto Blue Jays. First Bowman card, numbered out of 250. Pack of the baseball cards will be having 2 door prizes on Election Day, so try and stop by. It's a refractor of Jimmy Rollins from the Phillies. Forrest Snow, pitcher, Seattle Mariners. First Bowman card. And the last quarter of our box. Remember, we do have packs and boxes of this product in stock. Here's a refractor of Tim Hudson from the Atlanta Braves. Manny Machado, Baltimore Orioles. Could be the Rookie of the Year next year. First Bowman card. Was an impact player once he came up in September. Rookie card, Jesus Montero. Had a good rookie season this year with Seattle. Matt Barnes, Futures All-Star, Futures Game All-Star, pitcher with the Red Sox. And the last couple packs. Madison Bumgarner, the San Francisco Giants. And remember, our box breaks are almost every weekend at Attack of the Baseball Cards. The winner of our box break today will get this All-Star Game jersey of Jacoby Ellsbury. Thanks for joining us at Attack of the Baseball Cards. Check out our website at www.attackofthebbcards.com on Facebook. We're Attack of the Baseball Cards on Twitter. We're Baseball Blog. We're in our store 7 days a week, all year round, with door prizes on holidays and a double door prize on Election Day this year. Attack of the Baseball Cards, blazing the path in the collectible field.